Hey guys, I want to talk about what to do if you stub your toe. How many of you have ever done that before? I've done it many times. In fact, you can use this principle even if you jam your finger, hit your thumb with a hammer, whatever. I remember one time I was get up in the morning and I wanted to pull the towel out. It was on the inside of the door, the bathroom door. So I reached around the door to pull the towel out to whip it out like this, right? And as I whipped it, the door closed with my fingertip on the inside of the door. It basically shut on my fingertip. Now, if you know about the end of the fingertip, there's a lot of nerve endings. I have never had that much pain in my life. So this is the technique that I used on that, and you can also use this on the big toe. And if you watch my other videos, you already know it. You're going to be working on the opposite toe or the opposite finger that you jammed, okay? So immediately when you stub your toe, you have this like half of a second before, okay, it doesn't hurt, and now it's gonna hurt. So you just sit down and you start rubbing the opposite toe, okay? Whatever you jammed, if it's the pinky toe or the big toe, you start massaging that very invasively, okay? It'll knock out the pain like that. With the finger, what I did, I fractured this. I started working on the opposite finger, massaged it really, really good. The more I did that, the more this pain went away. And I know some people are saying, well, of course, if I step on your other toe, of course it stops the pain. But it's really more than that. It has to do with the electrical circuits that go from one side of the body to the next. If you affect one part of the body, you can retarget where the brain's energy is, and you could relieve the pain and increase the circulation and speed up the healing as well. So it's not just about knocking out pain. It'll just speed it up. So you have to just try it to believe it, but that's what you need to do for a stubbed toe. Press it. Forget it, I'm done. Press the subscribe button and I will keep you updated on the future events.